made this wedge, and I've got the bedrock here, so it's nice and sturdy. We wonder whether this wedge actually is a bit too thick, and you've only got one chance. So I'm just going to do it. Need to line that up with that. There we go. Is it going down? I've already been done on ski.
What?
I've already done that one.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already plugged.
Yeah. Oh, we can just do the next one up.
That one. Oh no, yeah, the whole thing.
Yeah, we'll do one halfway up.
Okay. We need to, or they're just not sawn off maybe those ones. Go a bit long further.
I think it's cut underneath, ready for wide distances. So
as in
drill down to about there,
yeah,
and then pull it out so that you get rid of the swarf.
yeah.
Whack it. Yeah, some of them are a different size altogether.
Yeah. Big?
You can do that. If it starts to fleece at the top, cut it off a bit lower down.
Yeah.
How far is it in? It's into that. Huh?
Yeah, yeah. Probably. I would think.
You can probably plane it down even more. I don't know. I mean, in a way they
don't need to be that tight.
I mean, they're so wet, aren't they? Everything. They'll probably loosen up.
Yeah, it's a bit so tight.
You can always screw them in from underneath, you know, later on. And screw them.
From
Around about the middle.
the end.
Yeah, around just kind of. Yeah, maybe. I can't remember. What was it? Yeah, the middle of the piece of timber, wasn't it?
Yeah, that sounds about right. The end of.
Yeah, it was end to end.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
I think so. I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be that accurate, really.
It's within about 1 or 2 centimeters.
Yeah, the thing about that circular mallet is you have to sit very square on the top. Otherwise it doesn't work. I think you're hitting not the hole.
No, it's through. It's at the end.
Huh?
It's at the end.
Oh, right.
I measured.
All right. That's good. So we get the, okay, let's see, let's measure that. Find out of the wire. So that has to go down to 4.5. So we can do that now, just by there we go.
Almost too loose.
It's alright. You can always put a screw in as well.
We can soon start with.
No, keep that on. You need to pull that. In fact, you need to pull that tighter because they've separated. You need to bang it together a bit before you. You could probably take the strap off. You need to bang it with the club from underneath or from above so that they go together. You don't need the strap. It might. Try and do it on the outside edge because I can still see a gap here. Is it tight on the front edge or something?
Well, it might just be a bit.
Oh, it's a bit twisted, that one, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a bit twisted.
All right.
And the
So
peg.
put the screw.
And the peg is a bit twisted as well.
Yeah, when you put the screw in, don't do it near the end. Come. Yeah, that's it. it does the job, that's the thing, isn't it?
Yeah. Probably does pull it a little bit down.
Huh?
Probably does pull it a little bit down, but the peg is working against it.
Yeah. You won't be able to put it down. So being flush with the top, that gives me a centimetre extra at the bottom. Now I didn't do any more levelling. You know, I said I was going to power plane the top. Well, I'm not going to bother because really it looks so good that I just think it's not necessary. So, since I'm going to use metal plates, if I just give you a shot here and show that surface disappearing, can you see that? That's what I use my eye there. I just look at the three boards at the same time and see that really it's very level. Certainly it's level enough. That's the point. We kind of do a dry run as well. If they're not quite right, we can change them. So look, it disappears almost simultaneously, which means they're level. I'm using got my extra microphone now.
Yeah.
This is going to be really difficult to cut, isn't it? Because it's so wet.
Yeah, especially with that saw.
But actually, look, it's so tightly grown timber that the water has only gone in about 1 millimetre into the surface.